Now in this video I'll start functions. So function is a special type of relation where each element of A has to be mapped, and it is mapped uniquely to any other element of B. So let's say any function f or any relation f, for now let's call it a relation f from A to B. Okay, just think about what you know about relation. In a relation, what happens is that the elements of A is related to elements of B. Okay, and they are relation is any set that has the ordered pair, where the first element is from set A and the second element is from set B, and we call it as it's a relation from set A to set B, like which element of A is related to which elements of B. So if you have this set A and set B, then in your relation maybe for any element what are the possibilities? Maybe if you take up this element, let's say I am taking this element, what are the possibilities? It may not form an ordered pair. Okay, so this element may not form an ordered pair. This is one possibility. The other possibility is that it may form an ordered pair. Okay, the other possibility is that it may form multiple ordered pairs. These are the possibilities. Now in functions, it's a special type of relation. A special type of relation in which every element of A must form an ordered pair. Number one, it must form an ordered pair. And number two, it must form an ordered pair with exactly one of the elements from B. So it cannot, you cannot have multiple lines going out. It means using this representation, you cannot have multiple lines going out. If f is a function, then if f is a function, so how I'm writing a relation? A function is a special relation in which every element of A is uniquely mapped to an element with B, element of B. So f is from A to B is a function. So when do we say a relation is a function? Means, so if f from A to B is a function, means that every element of A is uniquely mapped to a element of B. Okay, so there exactly one line will go from A to B. Similarly, for this you can go one line here. Similarly, this can be related to this. But just from A side, if you see, just from A side, there cannot be any element that has no image. Number one. So this also must have an image. Number 1 point. Number 2 point, you will not, in this representation, it cannot happen that there are more than one line that is emanating from any element. The reason being that is this has to be mapped to exactly one. Uniquely mapped. Okay. Now I wanted to cover a lot of things in function in this just one video, but my board is not functioning well. I cannot wipe out. It's not working. So next video. Thank you very much.